Hi guys, it's me, Boog, from Boog and Dad TV, and today, well first, we do have a different backdrop for today, just because the computer was here, so I decided just to move everything in here. But this is not an official backdrop, just that's what I'm trying to say. So we have more Lego Super Mario, more Lego Super Mario, but this time we have, the blind bags with awesome characters in them. So let's see what we get. And can't see what we get. Ooh, we get a bomb. We get a bomb. Well, the reason why I say Bob is because I've been playing the Super Mario Origami King recently. So that and he's literally a bomb called a bomb. Sorry if I spoiled anything for you, but anyway, and guys, because I just gave a spoiler, I would very much appreciate it if you would warn the people of that haven't played Origami King to not watch this video until they get into the point where Bob comes in. And then they can obviously come back to the video. Anyway, this definitely, I did find something pretty funny on the packaging. They all say, don't know if you guys can see, 23 pieces. I don't know if they're all gonna be 23 pieces, but we don't really care about the well, at least me and Dad don't really care about how many pieces are needed, just as long as we get them done. Well, for our bigger sets, we do count them, so we can find out what our biggest set is, which currently we're working on our biggest set now. I ain't gonna spoil anything. Just, at the time this video goes up, which is probably the day I'm filming this, we have already started the, our biggest, Lego set ever. I always look at the feet, because then you can actually tell, what the front is and what the back is. So it looks like, at the beginning of this build, it's kind of very much like the Goomba. But then it starts to, well, apparently you're supposed to do them backwards. My bad! That just got confusing real fast. Okay, so... Okay. So this little piece, this piece goes on the back. I don't really know why that piece goes on the back. Oh, it's for his gear. Okay. I knew that. I knew that. Just my brain did not know that at the moment. Might as well stop talking. That was weird. Okay, yeah. Oh. Come on, Boog, you're better than this. Okay, finally I got that piece on. Missing lots of pieces on the way. But I finally got the bomb done. Very awesome. Wait 1 second again. Intermission real quick. By the way, if you're wondering what I'm looking for Lego Mario. Oh yeah. Thank you. Memory think. Okay, well. Maybe he's on this table back here. Yeah, I guess I really was not prepared for this video. Okay, so just for so the video can continue, we'll be doing a basically this will be the review of the characters, and then hopefully when we get the full set, we get Lego Mario, and then we test them all out to see how they work. Here's Bob-omb. Oh, okay, so it actually... Oh. Yeah, that was actually his name. Please do not spoil the video. Because it's not needed anymore. That's really his name. And there is a fly. Or some sort of bug creature. He's very cool. There's his barcode, which we'll look at in a different video. Oop. Sorry about that. And then we have the little scenery. It's a little flower and some hills. And he has a little dot on the top, which has a hole, and it just goes in. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay. Pack number 3. Well, number 2. Let's hope we get someone good. Ooh. Oh yeah, Blooper. Forgot his name for a second. And this time you actually have to cut into every instructions, because that's where you get your building instructions. And if you actually did not watch the other videos, I don't think we actually pointed it out that actually for the regular sets, you don't actually... Oh, and Dad has arrived.
Boog, what you doing?
Come say hi to everyone.
Oh, hello everybody! Are you reviewing the new Lego?
Yep.
Or is this the super villains?
Yeah, this is all the battle ones.
Oh, awesome! Did you get any duplicates, or do you know yet?
We got Bob-omb and we got Blooper.
Oh, nice! Well, take this to the mailbox. Just gotta borrow the pad.
Okay.
Well, Panda has to borrow it for Colin.
Okay.
I guess he has to do online schooling too this week.
Okay. Okay, anyway, have the instructions backwards. Yeah. Honestly, like, like, these, like, little stars, they work, but they could be a little bit better. I'm just gonna say that. It works, but it could be a little bit better. Instead of just stars that go on your Christmas tree. Anyway. We have some coral. And this little piece. There. What's that? That's seriously it for the, I guess this was actually, oh yeah, that was an extra piece from the last one. There's your little, Octo thing. Okay. Octo thing. Oh, there's definitely. Wow, there was a lot more pieces still in the bag. Please come out. Is everything out now? Okay, I think it is. Okay. This is a bit weird of a build. A weird build. Yeah, that step is literally putting that on. Like, I totally was looking at step 4, and I'm like, oh, I forgot, and I put the piece on. That was actually step 3 step. Then I looked down at step 3, and then I see it, and it's like, oh, I was supposed to put that on that step. Okay. This is definitely a Lego blooper. It's definitely looking like a Lego blooper. Okay, this is actually great. Okay. So, Blooper's face. I know he's an octopus, but he looks so weird with these, like, little, like, teeth coming out. It's kind of weird. That's a little too high. I don't think his whole face comes off. There we go, that looks normal. Blooper! For some reason, something looks off. In my opinion. Something looks off about it. Just doesn't seem right. Probably just me. Something's wrong. Like, here's Blooper. Like, why does he have, like, these little things? I don't remember him having those little things in the, game. Well, it is on the back, but just doesn't look, like, I just don't remember it. Like, it just doesn't look quite right, as to what I remember. But there's more also to, to the set than just these two. So we have I've got this. We have Bullet Bill, Peepa, Buzzy Beetle, Urchin, Spiny, Paragoomba, Bomb Eat Cheap, Blooper, and Fuzzy. And that is the complete set for LEGO Super Mario Series 1. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the little scenery here. Yeah, I was really thinking Dad might come in, but it seems to be, oh, okay, here he comes, right when I speak about him. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Come give the public your thoughts on these figures.
Oh, let me see here.
And Dad is coming in.
Right. Oh, wow. Is this good? Who is this?
That's Blooper and Bomb.
Oh, Blooper, that's right. From the Water World.
Yeah.
I think he's awesome. And Bomb Bomb. Oh, yeah, he's even got his wind up on the back.
Well, it's actually Bob.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, they're very cool. I like both of them. I think they're awesome.
Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to Boog and Dad TV.
Oh, did you tell them where we found them at?
Oh, yeah, we found them at Walmart.
And they're $5 each at Walmart.
But actually, at Target, they're $4.
Really?
So might as well go to Target for a good deal.
No kidding. I'm pretty sure I'm right on that. All right.
Okay, guys.
Take care, everybody.
See you in this video. Make sure to subscribe to Boog and Dad TV for some more awesome toy fun. Bye.
Bye-bye.